Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics, verify game files in Steam, and make sure your launcher shows no pending updates. Once done, disable all mods so you can identify whether a mod caused the missing PBO. You should note the server name and the exact missing PBO file name. This matters when matching files. Make sure to run the game once after verification, because the client may recreate caches. This clears transient errors and narrows the problem quickly. Now you locate the missing PBO by checking your mod folders, workshop subscriptions, and the Dayz install path. If it's a workshop mod, unsubscribe, then resubscribe to force a fresh download. If it's a manual mod, redownload the archive and extract the PBO into the correct folder. Once replaced, ensure folder names and file hashes match the server's expected version, because mismatched versions cause load errors. Make sure to restart Steam and the game to load the updated files. Finish by clearing local cache. Exit the game, delete the Dayz cache folders, and clear Steam's download cache, then relaunch. Re-enable mods gradually, joining the server after each activation so you spot which mod reintroduces the missing PBO. If the error persists, collect the client and server logs and compare file names and hashes to the server's repository. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see the error, ask the server admin to force a full resync or upload the correct PBO. Version mismatch is usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.